Hello, for Uber?
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Good. For Brian?
Yeah, for
Oh.
Brian.
Oh, where's Brian?
Oh, he's my friend. He ordered me the Uber.
Your friend ordered the ride?
Yeah, I couldn't download the app on my phone, so he just ordered one for me.
You don't have Uber on your phone?
No, I deleted it to like make space for storage.
Okay.
And,
so are you sure? Because there's a lot of people there.
Yeah, he's like in the party, so he couldn't come out. But yeah, for Brian, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's me.
Okay. So how's your day going?
Pretty good, just came from a party. What about you?
Just been driving Uber, yeah. Trying to pay for my student loans.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Joe Biden's like, I'm still waiting for him to forgive him, but who knows? So now I have to work.
Well, I mean, at least you have like work.
I mean, yeah, I'd rather just kind of sit back and get him all forgiven. I mean, it's his fault, you know? Like, he gave out all the student loans to us. Like, I didn't want the student loans.
Well, maybe you shouldn't have just gone to school then.
I just feel like America's all messed up, you know? Like, they should just cancel all debt. I feel like that would just fix everything. You know, the economy's so messed up right now. It's like, nobody can even afford food. And I'm out here barely afford my car.
Yeah.
So I gotta work, you know? It's like, I wish I could just, I mean, I want to focus on my art. Because I'm trying to, I'm trying to be a DJ.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
What kind of like music?
I mean, right now I just play on my laptop and I try to just go to shows and stuff. And like, I mean, no one's hiring, you know? It's like,
Yeah.
it's kind of hard out there. So I'm just driving Uber right for now.
You should play your music like in your car.
I mean, I don't have any of my, like, I just play other people's songs.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah. I mean, I just do like weddings for now, but like.
Oh, nice. That's
Yeah, I mean, I did my
something.
cousin's wedding a couple months ago, and I mean, he just paid me $50, but it's like, you know, it's good experience.
$50. Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, hold on. I keep getting a call.
Yeah.
Somebody keeps calling me.
Oh, wait. Is it possible to change the address?
Wait, what?
Can we change like the address of the Uber?
Wait, what do you mean? Wait, say
Like-
that again.
Starting now?
Yeah.
Oh, can I change the address? Like Brian put in a different address than I want to go to,
Oh, you gotta do that through the app. So
but he's not here.
well, maybe just ask him because I don't.
Okay, that's fine. No, yeah, I'll text him.
Wait, so you didn't order your ride yourself?
No, Brian ordered the ride, but like.
Hold on. I keep getting a phone call. Let me answer this real quick.
Okay.
Hello? No, I got it. Oh, you're Brian? You're still at the party? Waiting for the. Hold on, I think I got the wrong passenger. Yeah, some lady told me that you ordered a ride. You're not even with any girls? Oh my god, dude, I just got scammed. Hold on, I gotta kick this lady out. I'll be back at your place. I'll pick you up in like 5 minutes, dude. I'm so sorry, bro. Please, dude. I'm so sorry. Yeah, I know. She's probably just trying to scam me for a free ride. So, all right, I'm gonna kick her out, but I'll see you. I'll see you in a few minutes. Hey, I gotta kick you out.
I
Sorry.
hope you're not talking about me.
Yeah, I'm gonna kick you out because you.
Why am I scamming?
Because you hopped in my car. You're not even my passenger. So.
Yeah, because Brian ordered the Uber for me.
Brian said he doesn't even know who you are. So.
He's probably drunk right now.
You gotta get out right here.
No, I'm not getting out.
Get out of my
He
car.
was literally at a party drinking, and he probably just doesn't remember.
No, he literally
I'm not
said.
gonna get out because he forgot that he ordered me an Uber.
No, you try to scam me for a free ride.
I'm not trying to scam you for anything.
That's why the say my name scam doesn't work. You gotta get out.
I'm not leaving.
You want me to?
My friend ordered this Uber for me.
I'll call the cops.
Call the cops.
You want me to drive to the police station? I'll drop you off there. You can order your new ride there.
I feel like the destination's like 5 minutes away. We
No.
don't need to like get the cops involved or anything.
How about I just fart, roll the windows up, and maybe then you'll get out?
No.
Just get out of my car.
I'm not getting out.
Bro, Brian is waiting for me.
What if I just paid you in cash?
You probably don't even have cash.
I do.
No, we're not doing that. I need to go get Brian. So get out of my car, please, lady. Can you get out, please? Now?
But he ordered me the
Get out of
Uber.
my car now. It's trespassing. Thank you. Take your apples and leave.